How do you see how much money you spent on Amazon? At one time, Amazon had a place you could click, set the dates, and make everything easy. Well, they took it off because they didn't want you seeing it. But there is a way of doing it, but you have to have a little bit of savvy know-how to know what you're spending on Amazon. At the very top of Amazon, top right, you're going to see hello, whatever your name is, account and lists. And then you'll see return and orders and your cart. Click on account and lists, and then you're going to see this page here. Start scrolling down. Now, as you scroll down, you're going to see these type of links. You're getting closer. Keep going. And then you're going to come to manage your data. And you see where it says request your data? Click that. Now, you're going to select from this drop-down box your orders. Now, it's going to ask you, it's going to send an email to you to verify, and you got to go put 4 or 5 numbers in. You're going to go back and forth, and then they're going to create this Excel sheet. And that's the one you want, your orders. Okay, now once you get this Excel sheet, you're going to have to figure out, well, how do I view this Excel sheet? And I'm even going to show you that. You can search for Google Excel, Workspace, Google.com. They have an actual Excel thing you can look at. So you're going to sign in to Google. Where it says the plus sign, you want a blank sheet, you're going to go into. Then we're going to go into File, and we're going to open. All the way over here to the right, we want to upload our Excel sheet. And we want to browse. The one we want to show is Retail Order History 1. This is the one you want to load from that Excel sheet. Okay? You're going to open that and load that in. Give it some time. So now it's loaded. We got different types of number. We got unit price. We got total discounts. There's a unit price tax. You see how they're separating all this? So you're going to get a general idea unless you start adding 2 sides to get the tax and everything together. But what I want to do is I want to look at 2024, and I want to scroll all the way down. Okay? Until I see 2023, come up a little bit. There's 2024. So here's where 2024 ended. And then we got 2023. I'm going to come across and click here once. Okay? This is unit price. So I'm going to go all the way back up to the top. And I'm going to hold down my shift button and click this. Now all those are going to add up. If you go over here to the right side, you'll see the sum is $14,018.99 on the right side. Now you can write that down and then just do the same process for unit price tax and then add the two together. If you want to see what you spent from all time, okay, simply click the F or whatever yours is at the top. Mine is, I've spent $47,206.88. Now if you scroll all the way down, you'll notice that is since 2018. It's still quite a bit of money. So if you want to figure out what you're spending in a year on Amazon, this is the way you do it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.